Are you looking for the top 5 best 3D printers for miniatures? Everyone thinks the best-selling 3D printer for miniatures is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M caught my eye for its fully automatic leveling and quick setup, all for a price of $249. If you want a hassle-free printing experience right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The one-click automatic printing system means you won't have to fumble with manual adjustments, which can be a pain, especially for beginners. Plus, with a maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, you can churn out miniatures quickly, which is great if you're in a rush to finish a project. The printer's build size of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters allows for a good variety of miniature sizes, and it has already sold over 4,000 units in the past month, showing it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the print quality not being consistent on some complex models. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting or doing simple miniatures, this won't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for those who want to ease into the hobby without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an easy Product number 2, FlashForge AD5X. Next up is the FlashForge AD5X, priced at $349. This model grabbed my attention with its multicolor printing feature. If you want to bring your miniatures to life with vibrant colors, this is definitely worth a serious look. The AD5X supports up to 4 colors simultaneously, which opens a world of creative possibilities for your miniatures. Plus, the ultra-fast printing speed allows for high efficiency without sacrificing quality. The machine's one-click auto-leveling ensures a smooth, uninterrupted printing experience. Ratings for this model have already started popping up, indicating it's gaining traction. But here's why this matters for you. You can create detailed models quickly, and the option for multiple nozzle sizes allows you to customize your prints perfectly. However, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation, but honestly, if you're working in a separate space like a workshop, it shouldn't be a huge concern. This is perfect for you if you are looking to create colorful miniatures and enjoy experimenting with designs. Skip this one if you're looking for a quiet. Product number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. Coming in at $379, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro offers some impressive features. What stood out to me is its efficiency, which can really drive your creative projects. If you want a printer that can handle various materials and is user-friendly, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum travel speed of 600 millimeters per second and a nozzle that heats up in just 35 seconds, you won't waste time waiting around. The multiple nozzle sizes let you balance between speed and detail, which is crucial for making intricate miniatures. It also supports a range of materials from PLA to TPU, giving you creative freedom. Users have praised its smart features like automatic bed leveling and remote monitoring via an app. Now, some people found the initial setup to be a bit challenging, but here's the thing. Once you get it set up, it's smooth sailing. This printer is designed for users who want a bit more flexibility and control. This is perfect for you if you want to create detailed miniatures using different materials. Skip this one if you prefer. Product number 4, Entina Tina 2C. If you're looking for something budget-friendly, the Entina Tina 2C is a great option at $189.99. Designed specifically for kids and beginners, this printer is perfect if you want to introduce someone to 3D printing without the stress of a complex setup. What's cool about this model is that it can have you printing within just 8 minutes of unboxing. It comes with a library of over 3,000 models, making it super easy to start creating right away. The AI features help users learn and grow their skills, which is perfect for younger users or anyone new to the hobby. Plus, with Wi-Fi and offline printing options, you can easily print from different devices. However, some users mentioned that the print volume is quite small, at just 3.9 inches on each side. But honestly, if you're just making small miniatures or practicing, this isn't a deal breaker. It's meant for learning and fun. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a printer for kids. Product number 5, FlashForge AD5M. Finally, we have the FlashForge AD5M, priced at $249. This model stands out with its auto-calibration and ease of use. If you want a reliable printer that is accessible for beginners and offers good quality, this one is worth a serious look. The AD5M combines a fully automatic one-click leveling system that sets the nozzle to build plate distance accurately, ensuring that your first layer will always be perfect. Plus, the Core XY structure allows for smooth and fast printing without compromising on quality. It also has a plug-and-play design, making it easy to start printing right away. Users are loving its low noise and efficiency, and it has sold over 600 units recently. Some have complained about the limited material compatibility, as it works best with PLA and similar materials. But here's the thing, if you're focused mainly on miniatures, PLA is usually the go-to material anyway. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective printer that delivers quality output. So there you have it, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M for ease, the FlashForge AD5X for vibrant colors, the Adventurer 5M Crow for versatility, the Antina Tina 2C for beginners, and the FlashForge AD5M for reliability. Each offers something unique depending on your needs. Just remember to consider what features matter most for your miniature projects.